Good morning. It is Tuesday, June, whatever day it is, because we're still not fully able to go out and enjoy every day because of the vehicle restrictions here in Costa Rica. We can't drive on Tuesdays and Sundays, and today's Tuesday, so yeah, we are keeping track of the dates. I didn't film yesterday, guys. Just did some more of the steel work up at the top of the door bump out, and then as well as on the side. I'll show you that. And we went and marked out all the electrical stuff. Boys are going to take the dogs for a walk. You gotta get their exercise. But yeah, let's go see what the guys are up to. Good morning. It's Wednesday, June 10th. I had a storm last night. Now it's sunny, so everything's growing like crazy. I'm going to show you our elephant ears. They're almost as tall as our palm trees we have planted. Let's go show you now. So I'm just gonna go see what the guys have been working on this morning. It sounds like probably continuing to frame out the door bump outs in the second bedroom. And yeah, let's see what else they've been working on. Alright, so yeah, they're getting all the cajas in, the boxes for all the electrical outlets and switches for the light switches right now, and then they'll eventually start doing all the little boxes for the fans and all the electrical in the ceiling, and then all the tubing and stuff will get done. So yeah, I'll go back later today and see where they're at. Good morning, it's Thursday. So yeah, I didn't make it over yesterday afternoon like I thought I was going to, just because it was raining all afternoon. But it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day this morning. So I'm gonna walk over there and see what other electrical components they've got in, and yeah, see if they've done anything else, any other framing and stuff. But let's go check it out. Good morning. It's Saturday. Hope everyone had an awesome week. Gonna head over and see what the guys have been up to. They have been doing the electrical yesterday. I didn't go over. We were busy and it was sunny, so we're getting some sun yesterday. So got to pay the guys today as well. And I just picked up some more electrical wire for layout, so he didn't have to run over there. But yeah, we're just gonna walk over there and see what they've been up to. Also want to take this time to thank our latest Patreon supporter, Dawn. Thanks very much. Again, we do have the link below if you can support us on Patreon. Again, it's as little as $1 a month. Just helps us to make videos. And they actually started some new thing there too, where we can set up merchandise. So I'm going to start doing that too, where if you're part of a certain tier, after 3 months you get sent like a sticker or a t-shirt or something like that. So stay tuned for that. We also have our Teespring online shopping for merchandise for Casa, as well as a couple other things, prints and things like that, and the links below for that. But yeah, let's go see what the guys are doing.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
So that's it for this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little shorter than last week's, just because they were pulling the electrical and running conduit, which isn't super exciting, but just to show you guys how we do it. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos, and we'll see you next week. Ciao.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.